Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring Git is installed and configured with your user. Name and user. Email so commits attribute correctly. Open the project folder in VS Code and click the source control icon to surface the repo state. If you don't yet have a repo, run Git, initialize repository, or use the terminal Git init. Create or edit a Git ignore to avoid committing build artifacts, then stage a few initial files so you have a clean baseline to commit from. Once you have staged files, write concise commit messages explaining why the change exists and hit commit. This preserves a logical history. For new work, create a branch with git checkout bfeature/name to isolate changes and switch context. Make incremental commits as you progress, then set or verify the remote repository and push your branch. Use pull or fetch, then merge or rebase to incorporate remote updates. Make sure to resolve conflicts promptly so the branch remains clean. When your feature is ready, open a pull request or use VS Code's merge tools to review and integrate changes. Request reviews if needed. If conflicts occur, VS Code highlights them inline. Choose incoming or current changes, edit manually, then stage and commit the resolution. Always run tests after merging to confirm behavior. If something goes wrong, run git status to see unmerged files, add the resolved files, and commit. Make sure to push the final merge so the remote reflects the completed work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.